Good morning, children. So in today's class we will start the English subject. In English subject we will go for an basic grammar. So in first we have an alphabets. You know very well about the alphabets, but just we will clear once. Okay, now revise once. In alphabets we have big letters, small letters and cursive letters. In big letters we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y, Z. Okay, in small letters A, small B, small C, small D, small E, small F, small G, small H, small I, small J, small K, small M, small N, small O, small P, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x and small y and z. So you all know about the even cursive letters also. In cursive letters we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So clear. Okay, you all know very well about the alphabets. And even you know how many letters are there in our alphabets? Anybody? How many letters are there in alphabets? Yes, that is 26 letters in an alphabets. Okay. In 26 letters, we have two kinds of letters. Which are they? Vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. What is vowels? Which are the vowels? You have 5 vowels letters. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So now you know about the vowels. So next, the consonants. What is consonants? In alphabets we have 26 letters, right? In 26 letters we taken here a 5 letters as an vowels. Remaining letters are called as consonants. All the other letters are called consonants. Which are the consonants letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, I, K, L, J, K. Sorry, I is not there. I will be the vowel. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. You will not there. V, W, X, Y and Z. So you all clear about the vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Remaining letters are called consonants. How many letters are there in alphabets? 26 letters. How many kinds are there in alphabets? 2 kinds, that is vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are remaining letters. So next, what is an vowel? What is an vowel? When we speak about one person, place, animal or thing, we write a or an before it. An is used before vowels. Whenever we will use an vowels, we will use before letter as an or a. An or a. Okay, now understood? You know the one magical trick about the vowels, that is we can't write a single word in English without a vowel. Means A, E, I, O, U is there now. Without that we can't write a single letter also in an English alphabet. Okay, understood? So you all know about the vowels. For an example like this: an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an umbrella, a mat, a rat, a cat, a ball and a a bat and a ball. So you all know about the vowels and consonants. So vowels is an magical words. Vowels are the magical words. You know about the magical words, that is A, E, I, O, U. Without this vowels letter we can't write any single letters also in an English letters. So you before using any person name or place or animal's name or thing, we will use naturally as an or a letters. An or a letters. Okay, now understood? Any doubts in this? We today in this class we have learned basic grammar, that is an alphabets. And how many letters are there in alphabets? 26. In 26 letters, which are the kinds of alphabets? Vowels and consonants. In vowels we have 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, and remaining are the consonants. And the vowels are the thing, that is speak about one person, place, animal or thing. We write A or an before it. An is used before vowels. Okay, and the one trick is that we can't write a single word in English without an vowel. Understood, children? Okay, practice this today in this class what we have done. Let's we move for another grammar in the next class. Just clear this and make a practice. Okay, thank you, children.